unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
If your Frigidaire refrigerator won't start, first check if it's properly plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Next, ensure the thermostat is set correctly. If these are fine, inspect the power cord for damages. Lastly, examine the start relay and capacitor for faults. If unsure, contact a professional technician.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.